Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For today is an instant cooking session because I'm going to have guests in a while and I want to prepare some light snacks. So keep on watching. To miss this opportunity to feature my sweetened bananas or minatamis na saging. Yeah, they're pretty ripe because I like overripe bananas. The saba kind, I don't like it when they're not ripe. In anything like turon or banana Q, I like it overripe and soggy. So let's get started. Okay, for this, I will be using brown sugar, water, and vanilla. As usual, I will put water first. Pour water. Turn it on. Let it boil. Stand by sugar. Get a knife. And I will be preparing the bananas. For this, you don't need to slice the bananas in half. I like it better when it's one whole. Since it's already overripe, it will be pretty easy for the sauce or the caramel to seep in. And for the banana to get cooked. Oh, so excited! So there, the bananas are ready. Okay, still waiting for the water to boil. And here's the vanilla and the brown sugar. I'm getting hella hungry, so I might prepare something while waiting for this to boil. I'm thinking of cheese omelette. Ooh, I love eggs. That's another thing I love. I love eggs. We finish a whole tray in like a week or two. Oh my god.
Eggs are the best.
So for the eggs, I'll be using 2 eggs. 2 eggs, mozzarella cheese, and Havarti cheese. Or just mozzarella. Yeah, I won't use the Havarti. So for this, I'll be using the small pan. Turn it on. Oh, it's boiling already. Wait, I'll put the oil first. Okay. While waiting for that to heat, I'll mix in the sugar. So this is pretty much like the pickled mangoes, but without the vinegar, and add on some vanilla. So again, we will wait for the sugar to melt. Okay, so since I am the lazy cookster, I will show you how I cook a lazy omelette. Yes, a lazy omelette or scrambled egg. Yeah, you will see. Salt. Okay, I'll put salt. Okay, so I'll put in some vanilla. Mix. Smells good. And then add in all the bananas. Yep. Slide them in. Slide them in. There. And put the lid on. I'm done using this. Put it aside. And I guess I'm ready for my lazy omelette. Wait, let me give you a better angle. There. So for this, okay, it's already hot. I'm gonna crack in my egg. Okay, and then mix it there. There. You see? Yeah. I put in some salt. And then wait a while. Then I'm putting in my not so secret ingredient. Oh God, this is the best omelette you'll ever taste. And I'll start preparing the mozzarella by just cutting it into pieces with my hands. Look at it. Ooh, yummy. And then I'll fold it. Fold it. Wait, don't topple over. Oh my God, I want to eat. Nah. There. And then I'm gonna flip it over. Yum! That's really good, I'm telling you. Plate. And that's done. Okay. There. Yum! Oh my God, I'm getting hungrier by the minute. Yummy. See all those melted cheese? I think I want some bread with this. Yeah. Oh my God, this is my favorite bread. It's Eric Kaiser. It's from Eric Kaiser at the Restaurant's Grocery. I'll just have one. How's my bananas going? Okay. Oh, you haven't seen my bananas? I'll show you. There, they're not yet cooked. They need to look brown, like that the sauce has already seeped into the bananas. That's when it's done. Okay, I think this is just about done. Yeah, I really don't want it toasted. I just want it to be hot. Yeah, I like my meals hot. Not yet. I will eat first. And hello! I'm here! Look at my food. You know what the problem is? Like, when other people say that they don't like eating whenever they're the ones who cooked, that's really irrelevant to me, because I cook for myself, meaning I cook what I want, what kind of flavor, what kind of texture. That's what I cook. That's why I'm fat. It's because I cook for myself. Oh, just a little more. Almost done. I haven't. I'm not yet done with my eggs and toast. But I just wanted to come here to talk to you for a bit. Yes, of course, I'm going to ask you to subscribe, like, and turn on the notifications bell button to see every time I upload a video, which is every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so keep on watching. Just kidding. Ooh, it's done. Let me show you. There, can you see? Ooh, yummy. Okay, so what is this? This is an old batch that I made like 2 days ago. And because I don't like lots of containers in the ref, I can put them together in one new container. Yep. Transfer these two here. Except for the sauce. And then put these bananas in there. Oh my, yummy. Soggy, sweet bananas. And then pour the sauce. Good job. And this is the finished product. Oh my god, I'm sweating. It's hot. I don't know if this is menopause or it's just hot. That's all for today, and I hope you liked the eggs and the sweetened banana recipe. So comment down below if you want me to cook anything. It can be hard, can be easy. It just needs to be fast. I just need to think of a way to do it fast because I'm the lazy cookster. Bye.